Hi, I'm Alex from Laser Tools and welcome to another episode of Stay Connected. We've got a great selection of tools to look at today, so let's get stuck straight in. On this week's episode, spinners that also work as step-up adapters. Small fixings need small spanners. Restricted access? No problem. Reach for this low-profile toolkit. Tackle both Torx Plus and Torx Plus tamper-proof with this set. Minimise the appearance of chips and cracks in your windscreens. 2 useful Alldrive socket and bit sets. Now, let's get on with this week's episode. This is an interesting little set. We have a 3-piece socket adapter and spinner set. They function as a step-up adapter. The first one goes from 1/4" drive to 3/8 drive. The second one goes from 3/8 drive to 1/2" drive. And the third one goes from 1/2" drive to 3/4 drive. They also work as a convenient spinner. The knurled face makes it easy to grip. They are also used as step-up adapters. Here we have a 1/2" driver, and now we have a 3/4" driver. They all stack together so they can be neatly stored inside your toolbox. Now we're going to look at this 6-piece miniature combination spanner set. The set covers sizes from just 3.2 to 5.5mm and is ideal for securing electrical connectors, carburetor linkages and adjusters, speaker mountings and so on. They're also suitable for the small nuts and bolts found on radio-controlled model cars, together with the internals of the computers and other electronic items. So remember, if you're working with very small fasteners, Laser Tools has got you covered. Now we're going to look at this low-profile offset toolkit. This is a set of low-profile offset tools in flat, posi drive, hex and star profiles. It's a great set when access is restricted. The sizes included in the set are a 6mm flat, PZ drive, PZ1 and PZ2, hex 4, 5, 6 and 7mm, and star T20, T30 and T40. The tools are ultra low profile and have the offset to help when access is restricted. Now let's have a look at this windscreen repair kit. Use the kit to minimise the appearance of chips and cracks in windscreens, and to also stop them from spreading. Everything you need is included in the kit, and there's a great set of instructions as well. This is a great cost-saving kit, and you can use it more than once. Now we're going to look at this 23-piece Torx Plus Bit Set. The set contains Torx Plus 6-sided and 5-sided Torx Plus tamper-proof. The bits are in either 1/4" hex or 10mm hex formats. 2 adapters are included. We have a 3/8 drive adapter for the 10mm hex and a 1/4" drive adapter for the 1/4" hex bits. A magnetic quick chuck bit holder is also included for use with a cordless power drill. Now I'm going to show you 2 socket and bit sets that both use the Alldrive socket design. Alldrive is a tapered profile socket that fits Torx, star, spline, metric, AF, Whitworth and BA fixings. This set has 13 low profile sockets from size 4 to 14mm, plus 12 of your most popular 1/4 inch drive hex impact bits. The ratchet spanner included takes the sockets on one end and the 1/4 inch drive hex bits on the other. The 50mm extension is also a wobbly drive. The second Alldrive socket set we have today has 10 sockets ranging from sizes 4 to 13mm, as well as a 1/4 inch drive adapter. The set also includes a very useful T-handle with both ratcheting functions and a very handy spinning function. Both these Alldrive sets are a worthy addition to anyone's toolbox. That's all for this week's episode, so as always, stay safe and stay connected.